Hello and welcome. I'm Jackie, the owner and founder of Flourish Medical Wellness, and I wanted to take a little bit of time to introduce you to the process here at Flourish and to give you a little bit of a heads up on what to expect when you come. So first of all, you will be receiving a phone call from us to help you get scheduled for your second visit. This is a really important visit. So that first visit that we have is a consultation. That consultation is a time for me to get to know you or other providers to get to know you, to understand what you may be experiencing, to get to know your medical history. From there, we usually start with a pretty extensive lab panel. After we draw that lab panel, we think it's very important to meet up with you to discuss that panel in detail. So that visit is just an extension of your first visit. There's no extra cost for that visit, but it's really important that we get it scheduled as soon as possible so that it's not a couple months out after our initial visit with you. And again, at that visit, we'll sit down, we'll talk about your labs together in great detail so you understand what it is that's going on in your body. A couple things that's really important for you to understand about how we work here at Flourish is how we treat our patients. So we, in general, our theory, how we practice is that we want to work with the body to keep it healthy, to keep it functioning well. So we do our best to avoid medications that are just blocking things or inhibiting things, because those also block other important functions in the body. So we really strive to figure out what might be wrong in the body, correct that, and then keep working with the body to keep it working like it's supposed to as we age. The other really important thing that patients need to know and understand how we're a little bit different is that we will never treat a number on a page. We will always treat our patient and their symptoms. Oftentimes we have patients come in who say, well, I went to the doctor and they told me everything was normal because their numbers were normal on a page. We're not going to treat your numbers only. We're going to treat you as a patient, your symptoms, and your numbers together. The other really important thing that it's important for our patients to understand is how we look at those labs. So those labs, whenever you get labs back, if you are normal, if you're in that normal range, all that is telling you is that you fall in line with 95% of people who have had that lab checked. That is not just healthy people. That is 95% of everyone. I don't want to compare you to other sick people. I only want to compare you to healthy people. So we're going to spend time talking about normal ranges versus optimal ranges, or those functional ranges where healthy people fall. And that's how we're going to make sure that your body is healthy and stays healthy as we age. So just a quick little informative video here about what that looks like and how we treat patients here at Flourish. So make sure, if you got a message from us, to return that call to get that second follow-up visit scheduled so that we don't have to wait even longer before we can go through those things with you. We look forward to seeing you and to treating you and really to being a part of your journey and your wellness.